You finally made it to the end of phase one of the Elementor course. We covered off three amazing websites: the blogging website, the dentist, and the accounting. And I hope you enjoy the lessons. And I know I wasn't always visible, but that was definitely me. There was no AI involved, okay? But I hope you learned a lot about structure, strategy, building efficiently, methodically as well. And also taking into account how a blogging website can be very different than a local business website. And then you got to take it up a scale or a level when you get to a professional website because you're trying to build in trust. Now, phase one is complete, and we've got tons of lessons over there. And I hope you dip in and out of them anytime you want. You did have to be a YouTube member at the commander level to access the lessons and the videos. If you decide you want to cancel and leave, you can do that. But I hope you come back to join again, or you stay joined to help the channel, because every little bit helps. And going forwards into 2026, we will have phase two, which I'm hoping to do at the end of January, which will be WooCommerce, e-commerce websites, and also a whole lot more. I'm even going to be looking at an event booking website as well, and maybe a directory as well. And I will happily look at your comments as well. So please drop them in if you have any feedback, good or bad. Please don't be afraid to say so. If you would have liked to have seen things done a little differently, if you would like me to cover off something I did not cover, or maybe you want me to go into more detail with a particular aspect of Elementor or just website building. And once Elementor finalize version 4, you will see those videos coming out as well. There will be new course videos start to finish using just Elementor version 4, especially when it comes to the class system and custom CSSs. So, as part of the Elementor course, we've gone and covered off 3 websites. There will be more to come. I really do want to say thank you to all of you who have stuck with it, especially with the amount of videos and lessons I've been putting out. It's really given me the momentum to keep going, and I'm looking forward to 2026 when we hit phase 2. And obviously, there'll be phase 3, 4, 5, 6, as long as I want to keep going and as long as we got Elementor and WordPress. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. Make sure you stay joined. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.